Hindi mo kailangan ng degree sa business or MBA to make your first investment. Kailangan lang siguraduhin mo na okay yung investment na papasukan mo. Orchard Road is one such company with a special kind of investment. Unang-una, yung company dapat may proven track record at tamang government-issued licenses for investment and selling. Matagal na nag-ooperate at established na sa industry. Walang hidden fees na ibabawas sa investment mo pag time na i-collect ito. Fixed ang term or period na babayaran at fixed din ang monthly amortization para walang bubulaga sa'yo kada buwan. Aside from these, kaya din top investment choice ang Orchard Road pagdating sa real estate industry ay dahil hindi mo kailangan maglabas ng malaking halaga para sa down payment tulad sa pagbili ng bahay or kondo. Wala itong association dues or monthly fees. Ang Orchard Road Memorial Lots are maintenance-free perpetually. Madali itong ibenta or i-transfer kung kailangan. The best part about investing in Orchard Road is ang pag-appreciate ng value ng investment mo over time. Kung nakabili ka ng lot sa Orchard Road noong 2002, yung 18,000 pesos lot mo ay worth over 300,000 na sa 2024. Imagine mo kung nakabili ka ng 10 lots. Yung 180,000 pesos mo ay over 3 million pesos na today. Ang value ng investment mo sa at-need price. In fact, your lot price last year ay nag-increase na by 30% this year. Huwag nang magpahuli. Ito ang sample computation for a typical memorial lot investment. Kung ang pre-need standard lot ay may halagang 84,000 pesos, mababayaran mo ito sa 60 months sa halagang 1,400 pesos lang monthly na zero interest pa. Pag may nangailangan ng lot mo, ang at-need price nito ay 168,000 pesos which means kikita ka ng 84,000 pesos. At ang future price nito ay maaaring umabot sa 336,000 pesos o humigit pa sa nasabing presyo. Pwede kang pumili ng affordable lawn lots at premium mausoleum lots. May iba't ibang projects ka na pwedeng pagpilian. Each project ay may iba't ibang investment package. Just ask your agent to present ang bawat project para makapili kung anong nababagay sa'yo. Or pwede ka rin mag-invest in any memorial lot of your choice in any of our branches. Kung cash ang bayad mo at buo, may automatic big discount ka pa. At may discount din on your 20% equity. Kung gusto mong hulugan, 0% interest ito payable over 60 months. Pwede ito bayaran via cash payment over the counter at any of our branches nearest to you. You can also choose to pay ng bank-to-bank transfers, GCash to bank transfers, at pwede din check payments. Kayang-kaya mag-invest for a brighter future and for a worry-free tomorrow. Orchard Road Memorial Parks. Tara, usap tayo!